Hey everybody, my name's Renee Allen and I'm going to be your biology instructor for Biology 150 this year. I know I'm the chemistry teacher, but I'm filling in for Stacy Blue. She's busy with classes trying to get her PhD, so I promised I'd help her out. So you get a chemistry teacher for your biology, but don't worry, I have a biology degree too. I'm multi-purpose. And it'll be kind of fun to do something besides chemistry. Not that I don't love chemistry. Okay, again, my name is Renee Allen. This is my fourth year teaching at the college, full time. I have been adjunct since probably 2000. And I also taught at the high school in Belcourt for 31 years. That's why I know a lot of you guys already. But this is a chance for you to tell me a little bit about you, like I'm telling you a little bit about me. Okay, I got my undergrad from NDSU, go Bison, and I got my master's from Minot State, go Beavers. But I'd rather be a Bison. So that's so much about my background as far as school. I have three kids. I have three grandkids. One of my passions is fishing. I love to fish. And one of my other passions is sports. I like football. I like baseball. I'm from Minneapolis, so, I have to root for the Vikings. Those of you that are from North Dakota and get to pick a team, you don't know how lucky you are. Some of us are just stuck, but that's life. Okay, as far as this class goes, the way I set it up, it's going to be in what they call modules in Canvas. There'll be a certain part, the PowerPoint will be up and I will be talking about it. I'm not just going to have you go through it without any background or anything. I'll be babbling on the side for you so you can watch, and I'll go give you more information. There'll be 15 minutes approximately. And then what I'll do is there'll be like a quiz or some discussion questions. And then you move on to the next part, and that's the way I'll set up. And then also, we have a program called Labster that we just purchased. Then we can do labs, so we still can't do them face to face, but we can do them that way. I mean, ideally, I'd love for you guys to be at the college, and I'd love to be in the room with you doing the labs, but we can't because of COVID. So it's our new normal. Sorry about that. Well, it's none of our faults, right? But we got to stay safe. So that's how we're going to do it. Once a week, and I'm hoping Wednesdays, that we'll have like a class meeting through Canvas. Actually has a program so that we can meet, and this is your chance to come in and ask questions. I can give you announcements and so on, and that would be during our regular meeting time, which we would have met face to face. Now we'll just meet through the computer. If you have any questions on the syllabus, you'll find my number, or you can email me. I'll get back to you, I promise. So again, what I want you to do now is I want you to tell me a little bit about yourself, not just your name and where you're from, a little bit more. It doesn't have to be totally, detailed, but you can type it out if you want, or there's a button. If you look on, when you hit reply, next to the YouTube icon, there is a record button, so you can put a video of yourself in there. It's your choice, okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I really hope you enjoy Biology 150 this year.